go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Hey, up the mountain. Oh, hi everybody, it's Louisa. I'm here visiting in Palm Springs. Can't see the back, too bad, because it was an awesome view.
It's raining in Palm Springs, and it never rains.
And it's raining. See the little rain droplets?
We saw a rainbow, but we don't want to get nasty.
And it should be pretty awesome. Welcome to Palm Springs Trail. Yeah. 10,000 feet, folks. In a tram, not on the rocks.
Hell no.
Because this girl, I look pretty. I don't. That's not my
She don't climb rocks.
The number. You say you dropping 10 pounds, preparing for summer, and you don't do it for the man. Men never notice. You just do it for yourself. You the fucking coldest, intelligent too. Ooh, you my sweet.
Look at this is what it's made out of. You better hold us.
No, you better hold me.
Please. We're about to go. It's strong, right, Ease?
I hope so. Let's call to use the restroom.
Oh, I already peed. Oh no.
Mirror where you actually get to see
No thanks. Fear lights coming in.
And nail files, spending hours in salons on your hairstyle. In the mall, steady racking up the air miles. Hit the gym, step on the scale, stare at the number.
Oh man. What? Oh shit. That was the last one. Wait a minute.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. On our way to the mountain station, we'll be going over 5 towers. Please watch your balance. It's 33 degrees and snowing on the mountain station. And we shall have you up there in just...
Oh, you can't see it, but we're going fast. Wow, look how far we've come up already.
10 minutes. Dang.
Oh my god, your feet rotating! I told her it's my feet! And look at Issa's feet! She wears sandals! Oh my, she wears flip-flops! Soldier, she's wearing flip-flops.
Yes.
Look everyone, there's snow. Everyone knows how much I love snow.
During summer weekends, state park volunteers conduct nature walks. Times are posted.
Play the guitar. Now here you are, with your girls having drinks at the bar. I say I'm buying, you decline, that is kinda bizarre. Independent with the demeanor of an R&B singer. Naked ring finger, M3 Beamer, champagne range.
Sounds like being on a planet or something. 10,000 feet.
Welcome to Planet Lisa.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nail done, hair done, everything big. And my LA girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. And my TO girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you.
Oh snap! I'm scared. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! What you call
Casilla, devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer. And ain't nobody realer, and ain't nobody realer. Go, go, go.
Oh my god! Ah, shit! Oh my god! Sorry!
And when I find it, it's when I find you.
Oh my god!
Everybody almost punched
You want me to fucking cry?
Like a ticket on the dash, yeah. But shout out to the homeowners, the girls that got diplomas and enough money to loan us a little something extra. Should we ever need it? If it sounds like you, then let me hear you repeat
Oh,
it.
you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Oh, you fancy, huh? Nail done, hair done, everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did. Oh, you fancy, huh?